known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well wherever you are in the world. Today, I have an unboxing for you, an unboxing of none other than a handbag. You know I love handbags, as you can see from behind me. But this is a handbag that I've been wanting for a while because it's unique, it's eye-catching, it's a conversation piece, and you know how much I like a conversation piece. It's a bit of a novelty bag, yet somewhat high fashion, if you will. It's got a little bit of edge to it, and I purchased it from Gritty Soul, and I've shopped from this online boutique before. They have unique things. I purchased these earrings a while back from Gritty Soul. These are made from vinyl records, and I just thought they were so unique, and I'm partial to hoop earrings, and so I really love these earrings. So I purchased these a while back along with another little small gold pair of earrings that are in the shape of vinyl 45 record adapters. You remember the 45 records, and they had these little adapters? Well, I purchased them from there, and I just really like the pieces. Like I said, they're conversation pieces. They're unique, yet they're fashionable, somewhat high fashion, if you will. And that's what I love about this bag that I'm about to show you. So if you're into handbags, you're into novelty items, then stick around. I think you're going to enjoy this video. So what I like about Gritty Soul, and Kim puts a lot of thought into her packaging, and this is the Gritty Soul logo. It's a lion, and I like that it's in gold. You know how much I love gold and black. And so the bag came in this really nice box, which I love. So it came packaged really well. I'll do a cutaway so you can see it came with all the padding around it. So it was very well protected. It came with the card and a sweet note from Kim. Actually, Kim did a 50% off sale on everything within her boutique for in honor of her 50th birthday, which was a couple of weeks ago. And I just thought that was really a nice, you know, promotional kind of spin. So everything was 50% off. And like I said, I've been wanting this bag for a while, but you know, I needed to conserve my funds. You know how I am about being a good steward of your finances. But when it was 50% off, I said, I don't know when the next time this is going to come around, so I'm going to get it now. And I got the bag. It was $188 plus tax and shipping, but I think it was well worth it because it's a novelty piece. You can't find it anywhere else. I will talk to you about the pros and cons of this bag and give you my completely honest and genuine review of the bag. So I got a note from Kim, and it says, Audrey, thanks so much for supporting Gritty Soul. We are a proud Black-owned business, and because of you, we're that much stronger. Love ya. But this is the card that came with it, and it also came with some care instructions of the bag, just advising that the bag is made from vinyl records. So it basically says you have a unique handbag, and because it's made with vinyl records, it can get scratched. So be sure to handle with care. If you do get a few scratches on your handbag, it's okay. It says, just like every vinyl record, it has its unique characteristics. So will your Vinyl Fiend Queen handbag, which is the name of this handbag. It's called the Vinyl Fiend Queen handbag. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. But so it came packaged up really nicely. Like I said, in the cutaway, you can see. And this is the bag, guys. I absolutely love this bag. It's so cute. And it's so unique, but this is it. It's like in this crescent shape. And these are real vinyl records, on the front and the back. Now this is made with vegan leather, and it does have the gold chain detailing on the sides, and then the studding all around the records, and on the back with that gold lion detail, which is their logo. Absolutely love that. And then it opens up. It's a snap closure, so it opens up that way. And when you open it up, you can see the little record label, and they have their own personalized record label on there that says Gritty Soul, side 2, pay homage or pay, I can't read that part, but it just says grittysoul.com on there. Really nice. And then So it has these two handles here, and when you open it up, it does have a zipper section like so, and then you unzip it and it holds quite a bit. It does come with an adjustable strap, which I like. So it came very well wrapped in the beginning inside of the bag, and it has the gold detailing on that. And right now I'll pull out what I have inside of the bag. It does have a wonderful expandable like accordion detailing, so it will expand. You can get more than you think in this bag, but I'm gonna pull out what I have in the bag, and I love that accordion detail on it. So I have some Altoids, just some mints, and I have a lipstick in a lipstick case in here. I also have my wallet, and this was a gift from Sus. What I've been carrying this wallet religiously, or this card case I should say, card holder, however you want to call it, but it has these nice little flowers on it. It's by Coach, and Sus gifted this to me, and I love it. I've been carrying it nonstop, so I have that. And then I have my lipstick, which is Strawberry Fizz from Victoria's Secret. That was a gift to me as well. And then I have some hand sanitizer in there, and it will fit my phone, but that's all I have. And it does have a zip pocket on the side here. So that is what it holds. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like, you know, with me carrying it. I'm telling you, I absolutely love this bag. It's just so cute. I just absolutely love it. I think it's adorable, and you know, I love a unique item. I like things that are different from, and you can't find them anywhere. And trust me, I looked online when I first started looking into when I saw this bag, and I was like, oh, that's too much, I can't afford it right now. I started looking for other alternatives, because you know me, I'm all about looking for alternatives, and there were none out there. There were vinyl, there were handbags made out of vinyl records, but they were not as stylish and well thought out and designed as this one. So that's why I just had to jump on getting this one. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like, you know, wearing it, and then we'll come back and talk about the pros and the cons, what I like, and what small thing I would change on the bag. I love that this bag has different carrying options. So right now I'm carrying it top handle, and this is just a sleek bag, very eye-catching, definitely a statement / conversation piece, if you will. So if you don't want the comments, then maybe this is not the bag for you, but I absolutely love it. I'm into music, so my love of music is captured in this bag, as well as the black elegance of it. This is me wearing it with the crossbody strap, and it is adjustable. I think there are 7 holes in this, and I'm carrying it on my shoulder so you can see how it hangs. I am 5'8", just for reference, but I absolutely love this bag. And because it is black and gold, you can style it a myriad of different ways. And like I said, I just love the top handle, and the chains are just really sleek. I love that about it as well. And now I'm just going to give you some more shots of me carrying it various ways, in the crook of the arm, crossbody, etc. So you see how the bag hangs and how it carries and how it looks. It really elevates your look. I just think it's really unique, cool, and nice. And so let's talk about what I love about this bag. What I love about this bag is I like the faux leather handles. They're really comfortable to hold. They're thick enough to wear. If you do wear it on your shoulder, it doesn't cut into your shoulder. It's very padded. It's very nice. I love the chain detailing. I think chains always elevate a look, and I just like that it's in the simple, you know, sophisticated black and gold. I love the crescent shape of it. I like that it has that bold, iconic lion head on the front, and I like the crescent shape of it. That rounded shape is so cute. It is easy to get on and off the arm. So there's nice coverage there, really open. And I love the accordion style of this bag and how it expands really, really wide. I also like the fact that it does come with a detachable, adjustable longer strap that you can hook here on the sides, and you just hook them diagonally across, and you don't have to worry about them twisting because it does have a rotating head on it, which I absolutely love that as well. And the only con, and I mean the absolute only con that I have about this bag is that the lion head does swivel and turn. So I do have to, adjust it and straighten it up. I wish it was stationary and stayed still. And to be honest with you, that is just very, very minor. So I definitely give this bag a 9.5 as far as my being satisfied with it and loving this bag. That would be the only thing that I would change. And some people may say, well, I don't know if I would pay that much for a bag that is not, leather. But what you're paying for is the uniqueness in design. Like I say, this is a design that you can't find anywhere else. A lot of thought was put into the design of this bag, which makes it worth it to me because I'm a creative person, so I love to support other creatives, and a lot of thought went into this design, and I know how much goes into getting something patented and then finding someone to manufacture it. There's a whole lot that goes into that needs to be paid for. And then in addition to that, the packaging, the presentation, all of that to me is worth it. The customer service is very, very good. Follow up is always good. I got my package delivered to me within like 4 or 5 days of me ordering it, which was really nice. So I am happy that I got my bag. I love it. And you know how much I love wearing black. And so I can get a lot of use out of this, and I just adore it. So that is all I wanted to share with you. Definitely check out grittysoul.com. And they're always having, sales. So, just get on their mailing list, their emailing list, and you will get notified of when they're having promotional sales and things of that nature. Well, guys, that is it. My name is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, reminding you to be a good steward of all that God has given you because He loves us so much. I love you too. And before I go, just a reminder, I am still a competitor in the Fab Over 40 contest. I've made it to the final 10, the top 10, I should say. And it's all because of you guys. You've been voting. I appreciate you so much. Please continue to vote. There are going to be continuous eliminations as it goes on. Because the competition doesn't end until December 15th. So the next cut will be coming, I believe, November the 7th, if I'm not mistaken. And that will be going to the top 5, I believe. Yes, so please vote. You can 2 times vote. This is a fundraising competition. So it is really all about raising money for the Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation. And so it's going towards a good cause. But if you don't have it, in your funds to purchase donations or purchase votes, then you can vote for free. You can vote for free, and you can vote daily for free. So just keep voting, guys. The winner gets a 2-page spread in New Beauty magazine. And they also get $40,000, which I would invest into my baby business, which is only a year old. It's a small business, New Life Art and Design. If you haven't checked it out, that's also in the link below. But check it out. I sell, t-shirt, apparel, things for the home, all of it with my art incorporated on it, which is to inspire others. And I sell cards. What else? I sell handbags that I paint on, that I design, and I will be doing a release soon. I'm sourcing items, and that's why it's taking me a while to do my next release, but I'll definitely have a release out before the 1st of December or somewhere around there, before Christmas for sure. So that's it, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye.